So, good evening and good morning. Let us begin with the chanting session where the aspiration is that may I chant till I become the chant. I want to chant till I become the chant. And this is not just an imagination or a fascination. It's been written that as we chant more and more sincerely, when we give importance to chanting in our lives, even the body cells, each and every cell of the body, it picks up the chanting. And it's like a parallel consciousness within develops. And while the rest of you, the rest of us, the rest of me is going about the daily activities, there's something inside which is chanting the divine's name. So invoking the presence of grace of divine as we begin this session with gratefulness and delight. A reminder, just like meditation, chanting requires our attention, our focus, and it's great if we can be as centered as possible, as present as possible while we chant. So we'll try to come back to the chant as soon as we realize that the mind has wandered off, which it will, but we'll keep coming back. So we'll start with Om, which is again a great help in centering our being, the magic word, the magic mantra, the mantra that they say the universe originated from, but we don't have to believe what anybody says. If we chant, when we chant Om, when we become one with the vibrations of the chant, when we do it simply and sincerely and honestly, when we feel the vibrations within us, we know what it is. We know, at least we know it's not something ordinary. As Mother says, when we chant Om, it's like we're inviting the divine. The divine is signing that, yes, I'm here. It's a signature of God's presence. So I will just share the audio. And before we do that, let's just chant Om as we normally do. 3 times regular and 3 times we'll break it into A, U and Ma. And see the center, the chakra, the part of my being from which that sound comes. So, no rush, absorbing what the sounds, the vibrations. I will take a long deep breath. Oh. Again. And again. Now, for the next 3 long breaths, we'll be breaking it into its 3 parts, A, U, and M. So taking a long deep breath in. Once again. One last time. And now I'll be sharing the Om audio, the video, and we can chant along with that. We can use any pace. We can chant aloud or within, but we'll just use that as a background and chant Om for the next few minutes, remembering that we are calling God. So giving it that love, that sincerity, we'll begin. I'm assuming you can hear it, otherwise you let me know. After Om, we'll go on our first main chant today. Not that this wasn't the main chant. So the next chant is Lokaha Samasta Sukhina Bhavantu. So I'll just share it. So Lokaha Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu is the next chant. Lokaha is location. This is where we are living. So it could mean the city, the house, the room, earth, the universe, or everything. So every lok, this universe and other universes. So the location, samasta. So everyone who are living, who is living in the location, in the realms, everywhere. So we can make this as small or as expanded as we want it to be. Sukhino, we know, coming from the word sukh. So the absence of suffering. May no one suffer. May everyone be joyous, be happy, truly happy. And bhavantu, bhav, that inclination, the bhav, and antu bhavantu is may it be so. And it's a pledge, and it's a request, and it's an aspiration, and it's an affirmation that may everyone be full of joy, may be happy, may not suffer. May it be so. So as we are chanting, we'll remember the beautiful words, the strong words, this beautiful aspiration behind these words in this mantra. I'll play it now, and if you can't hear it, please unmute and let me know.
समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः 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 समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु
So we'll end today's session with Sri Aurobindo's Gayatri Mantra. And we had taken it up last time. I'll just pull it up. And I'll play it, and if you can't hear it, you let me know.
Shri Aurobindo's Gayatri Mantra. Om Tat Saviturvaram Rupam Jyotih Parasya Dhimahi Yannah Satyena Deepayet. Let us meditate upon the most auspicious form of Savitri, on the light of the Supreme, which shall illumine us with the truth. ओम सावित्री के उस कल्याणतम रूप वह सर्वश्रेष्ठ ज्योति की ओर हम ध्यान करें, जो हमें परम सत्य से प्रकाशित करता है। तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपम् ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत्। 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 तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपम् ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत्।
So with the constraint of the time, we'll be stopping here today. So ending with Sri Aurobindo's Gayatri Mantra, in which we again we are aspiring to be illumined with the truth, the absolute truth that exists, that may it dawn on me. May I become that truth. May that truth become me. So ending the session here with this aspiration for ourselves and everyone, and dedicating the merit, if any, from my thoughts, my actions, my speech with everyone. May all beings be truly content, fulfilled, truly happy and at peace. May no one suffer. Thank you.
Thank you, Taru. Thank you.